guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you this very tropical summer green and orange makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this eye makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in C13. I'm just using this as a base on my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger and just go ahead and blend that out some. I'm not going to set my concealer this time. Sometimes I can set it, sometimes I don't. I feel like when you don't set it, it is more vibrant, so I'm going to leave it as is. So I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this orange shade right here. I'm just going to blend that throughout my eyes, and I'm going back into the concealer again, and I'm kind of just cutting my crease. I am not the best at this, but the more you do it, the easier it is. I do suggest that you put a little bit in the middle and just look up real quick, and you can kind of just get a guide from that. So to fill in the concealer part, I'm taking this forest green color, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my eyelid. And then I'm going back into the orange shade with no remaining product on the brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just blend that out some more. And I'm going back into the concealer, and what I was trying to do with this was kind of to achieve like a gradient effect on my eye. So that's what I'm doing with the concealer. I'm not really sure if it worked out well. I don't really know how I'm trying to explain it, but yeah, I was trying to make a gradient effect with this. Then I went in with the white eyeshadow, and I kind of just patted that onto it, and then I blended it out some. And now I'm taking my NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just lining like the very top center of the cut crease. And I tried blending that down some, but it wouldn't budge. So I took some more of my white eyeshadow, and I just plopped that on there, and then I got some white eyeliner onto my eyelid, so that was just me fixing that part right there. And then I'm going back in to add some more of the white liner. And now I'm taking my Ruby by Kiss eyeliner, and I'm not winging it out, but I am going to go ahead and line my lash line right before I apply falsies. And I will link these lashes down below for you guys. They're super affordable. I got them from like AliExpress for like a few dollars. No more than like $2. I don't spend that much on AliExpress. But these are really nice lashes. Okay, so I'm taking that same white eyeshadow from before, and I'm just plopping that into my inner tear duct. And then I'm taking the orange shade, and I'm putting that underneath my bottom lash line. And also, if you want to see how I apply my foundation and contour and highlight and all that stuff, then I will put a notification up above for you guys. So this is the black eyeliner I used. It's just like a normal black eyeliner from the drugstore. And I'm just putting that underneath my bottom lash line too. And then I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is like my favorite mascara still. And I'm just making sure that my lashes are blending with the falsies. And then I'm applying some onto my bottom lash line. So I'm taking this liquid lipstick right here. Super pretty. It reminds me of like something I will wear during like the fall season, the winter season. And I'm taking my NYX liquid, I can't talk. I'm taking my NYX liquid lipstick and putting that right into the middle. And I'll link all my products down below for you guys. And then I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that underneath my brow bone just to finish off the eye look. And that's it for the eye makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and comment below and tell me what you want to see next time. I will see you guys next time.